Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla fuel filter. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the brake, and relieving fuel pressure before you begin. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wear eye protection and gloves to stay safe. Lay down absorbent pads and have a container ready for fuel, then locate the filter and clear the area so you can work comfortably and confidently. In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla fuel filter. Release residual pressure at the rail, then carefully disconnect the inlet and outlet lines using the right tools. Support the old filter as you remove fittings so fuel drips safely into your container. Inspect the fuel lines and fittings for wear or cracks and replace any damaged clamps or hoses before fitting the new filter for a secure installation. In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla fuel filter. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free steps and music while you work. It clips into your routine and keeps instructions audible when your hands are busy. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Corolla fuel filter. Fit the new filter with the arrow pointing toward the engine and replace any seals or clamps you removed. Reconnect lines securely and hand-tighten fittings before final snugging to avoid damage. Reconnect the battery, cycle the ignition to prime the pump, and inspect every connection closely for leaks before you start the engine for the first time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.